Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can actually format our table of contents on Microsoft Word. So in the previous video, I showed you how we can actually create this table of contents, but there may be cases where you want to modify how it looks. So to do this, we just have to head over here to the References tab, come over here to the Table of Contents dropdown, then come over here to Custom Table of Contents. Once we select this, you can see we have some different options available to us. We could do things like if we, removing the page number, we can go ahead and right align the page numbers. We can change the tab leader, so the leading from the name of the heading to the page number. So you can make it align like this, or like this. So you can go ahead and modify that if you would like to. In addition to that, you can also change the formats. So there's different format styles. Let's go ahead and try some of the different ones. So that's classic, that's distinctive, that's fancy, and that's modern. So I like modern. I think modern looks nice. In addition to that, we can also change how the different headings show up. So we could change, maybe we want heading 1s to be blue. Maybe we want heading 2s to be purple. So to do this, we have to head over here. Let's actually go over here to From Template. And let's come over here to Modify. And now what we could do is we can go ahead and select TOC1 essentially stands for heading 1, TOC2 stands for heading 2, and so on. So let's go ahead and modify TOC1. So let's come over here and select Modify. And now you see we have some different options available to us. We could do things like making it bold. And what we want to do is we actually want to change the colors. We want to make it bold, and we also want to change the color. So let's change the color to blue. Make it blue. Why not? And let's go ahead and select OK and see what happens. And it's asked me, do I want to replace it? Yes, I do. So you can see now our heading 1s are blue. Let's do the same thing for heading 2. Let's go ahead and make a similar change, except we're going to make them purple. And then again, under From Template, go to Modify, TOC2, Modify. And we don't need to make this one bold, but we do want to make it purple. It's kind of like a, there you go. This is more of a traditional purple. Go ahead and click on it. Click OK. Click OK. And then do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay, so now you see we were able to actually modify our table of contents. So you can modify things like the lead from the heading to the page number. You could change the color of the different heading styles. You could decide if you want to have numbers there or not. So, I mean, you can get as crazy as you want to with the formatting, but that is a quick tutorial on how you could format your table of contents.